During a time of transition, NAFA is busy rolling out a variety of new initiatives and improvements.
Well, right now we are in obviously a transition phase. I'm currently serving in the interim role, and we have a lot of new initiatives going on for both operational efficiencies. So we're changing a lot of our structure from the IT side of things. We've recently brought our certification program to online testing. We have a recertification tool that's online now that hopefully creates a better member experience, and for anybody involved in the certification program, an overall better experience, and gives them an opportunity to more conveniently test for the CFM program. We are working on updating some of our other communications around the member experience and how members want to be communicated with, working on helping to segment markets, working with our communities to get better content for specific niches of our membership, so government, corporate fleets, public safety fleets, universities, and schools. Those are all groups we're working on with our communities to get some better content for them, and that's really an opportunity for our fleet managers to crowdsource the content and the topics that are most important to them in their specific job function. So that's one of the exciting changes we have too. Obviously I&E is coming up in this transition, so one of the steady points in all of this transition has been I&E, which continues to be really our flagship event and our opportunity to really showcase everything we have, along with CFM Live, which is the event that goes, is co-located with I&E in Indianapolis this year, and gives everybody an opportunity to take part in the boot camps and also to test in the new computer testing for their certification program.